Good evening. A few days ago I posted a video about a piece of wood that I liberated and brought home, which is full of, that piece of wood is full of fatwood. And tonight I'm going to show you how easy it is to light a fire just with your fatwood. I'm Klaas, welcome to Urban Bug. We're doing curry and rice on the braai because it's load shedding, so I'm going to take you through the motions and get the fire going. This is the piece of wood that I was talking about. If you can see there, that's that bright yellow goldish color, that's the fatwood. And if I turn it a bit more like this, you can see that there's a lot of, it's what we call natural turpentine that's in the wood. I've got this piece, and I've got a piece of cedar, which is basically also, you can say it's a Mediterranean pine. And of these I've got several slivers, as you can see them over here in my hand, and they burn like nothing. Just put the lighter to it and leave it, and within a few minutes you've got a bright fire going. There's the start of it. As you can see, a few slivers of fatwood in that as well. And I'm going to see how it works. I'm going to show you how it works. For me it works. It's better than paying $20 for a pack of firelighters and using a mere sliver of wood that I sliced off that piece of wood with my knife, and just put the lighter to it, and we've got fire. I'm going to add the cedar to the pile here. Just stick it up and yeah, get as much as possible of this in there. It's always good to, especially the woodworkers, if you cut through a piece of pine that's very knotty, keep those, that sawdust, and it creates a very nice fire, a very hot fire in fact. Very hot, and it's handy to have stuff like that with you to quickly build a fire. Even with a ferrocerium rod, light's easy, but then your material needs to be a bit finer than this. Okay, we're ready to go. In the meanwhile, between the previous part and this part, I've taken the liberty to quickly rinse my pots, and here we go. See how easily it takes flame. And now it's just a matter of putting all the bigger stuff and get the fire raging, and then we can start cooking. Okay, my bigger pieces are up, and you can see the flame licking through it here in the middle, coming through right about there. There you see it now clearly. So without using any fire lighters, just a normal big lighter, which is should be an essential item in your braai kit or your fire kit. I've got the fire going, and now it's me back to the pots and get everything prepared so we can get the food up once the fire is ready to go.